President Obama's executive action on immigration has hit an unexpected roadblock, and the legal status of an estimated 4 million people now hangs in the balance. What happened? A federal judge in Texas has decided to temporarily block an Obama administration program that would potentially shield millions of people from deportation and allow a legal challenge from around 24 states to go forward. Those states argue the president's overstepping his legal authority. What program is the judge blocking? It's called the Deferred Action for Parents of Americans and Lawful Permanent Residents. It would allow some 4 million individuals to seek deferred deportation if they'd been in the country since 2010 and had a son or daughter who was a U.S. citizen or permanent resident as of last year. The plan also allows for people who enter the U.S. illegally before the age of 16 to apply for deferred action if they finished high school or were honorably discharged from the military and hadn't gotten into significant trouble with the law.
I am confident in my ability to implement this program over the next 2 years.
How are Republican opponents of his executive action responding? By making the same case as the states that are challenging the president's legal authority.
He's damaging the presidency itself.
They're threatening to not authorize funding for the Department of Homeland Security, which oversees immigration. The current funding is set to expire February 27th. They're also making the case for why they think the president's plan risks unintended consequences, saying it
will only encourage more people to come here illegally and putting their lives at risk.
Whereas President Obama says his program is
the kind of common sense solution that most Americans would believe in.
What happens next? The White House says the Department of Justice has indicated it will appeal the Texas judge's decision. At the same time, the funding impasse in Congress is entering a 10-day countdown. That's the short answer.